Hello guys, we're in our third video about physics. Right now we have Newton's law of motion. And well, to make this video routine simple, it's really simple, like for real. I will not waste a lot of time explaining it. Newton's law of motion consists of three laws. First of all, we have the first law of inertia. So the law of inertia is about an object that remains at rest. So, for example, a book stays on a table and it will move until something pushes it. So, in what consists the law of inertia? And it's very simple. An object will remain at rest or in uniform motion in a straight line unless acted on by an external force. So, if I am still, I will remain still until something pushes me, applies force to me, and forces me to move. Here's the equation, as you can see, no net force equals 0, so force equals 0, and equals to no movement. Then we have Newton's second law of force and acceleration. This law consists in the acceleration of an object depends on its mass and the force applied. So, to do a quick summary, if you apply force to an object, the acceleration will depend on your force and mass. So, let me give you some example. Like, for example, you have a car, and the car remains still because of Newton's first law. So, when you start applying force, the car will move, and the acceleration will completely depend on your force and the level of force you apply to it and your mass. And here's the little formula, and I'm going to do a short example. We have a 10 kilogram box pushed with a force of 20 newtons. So, what will be the acceleration? This is very simple. We have the formula of acceleration here. 20 divided by 10 will be that 20 newtons of force divided by the mass of 10 kilograms. We have 2 meters per second squared. Then we have Newton's third law, action and reaction, in which consists that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. For example, as you can see, we have F12 and negative F21. They are opposites. Literally, this one is positive, this one is negative, this is a 12, this is 21, you invert the values, it's completely opposite. And an example will be that when you jump, your legs push against the ground, and the ground pushes you upward. So you apply force to the ground, and the ground